you on a magical journey. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe so Little Whale can share more sweet stories with you. Now, are you ready for tonight's story? Hi, little one. The rainbow is missing a color. Violet! The rainbow fairy Aria is on a quest to find the missing color. Can you help her? Join her wonderful journey now. The Rainbow Fairy and Night Butterfly. High up in the clouds of the Sky Kingdom, there lived a beautiful rainbow fairy named Aria. She was the guardian of colors in the Sky Kingdom, responsible for adding vibrant hues to the rainbow. Every morning, as the first rays of sunlight touched the earth, Aria would wave her magic wand and add the 7 colors to the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Each color made the world more beautiful. One morning, when Aria arrived at the Rainbow Bridge as usual, she discovered something strange. The violet color of the rainbow was missing. Without violet, the rainbow looked incomplete, and the whole world seemed a bit gloomy. The flowers hung their heads low, as if they were sad about the lost color too. Aria was very worried and decided to embark on a wonderful adventure to find the missing violet. Aria flew over the forest and asked the little rabbit, "Little rabbit, have you seen Violet?" The rabbit shook its head and said, "No, but I heard that the night butterfly might know." Aria thanked the rabbit and continued her journey. She flew over the lake and asked the little fish, "Little fish, have you seen Violet?" The fish shook its head and said, "No, but I heard that the night butterfly might know." Aria thanked the fish and continued her journey. Finally, Aria arrived at a mysterious garden where a beautiful night butterfly lived. The night butterfly's wings shimmered in the moonlight, very charming. Aria gently asked, "Night butterfly, have you seen Violet?" The night butterfly shyly lowered its head and said, "I'm sorry, Aria. I borrowed Violet to decorate my wings. I wanted to make my wings more beautiful." Aria smiled and didn't blame the night butterfly. She knew that everyone has the right to pursue beauty. So, Aria decided to help the night butterfly. She used starlight and morning dew to weave new violet glitter for the night butterfly. The glitter shone softly on the night butterfly's wings, even more beautiful than the original violet. The night butterfly was very touched. She flew up to Aria and said, "Thank you, Aria. I am willing to return Violet and become your assistant." Aria and the night butterfly flew back to the Rainbow Bridge together. The night butterfly gently returned Violet to the rainbow. In an instant, the rainbow regained its complete 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, each color shining brightly. The world became cheerful again. The flowers raised their heads and smiled to welcome the sunlight. The little animals also came out one after another to celebrate the return of the rainbow. The children looked up at the sky and smiled sweetly. The rainbow was complete again, and the world was cheerful once more. Aria and the night butterfly lay on the soft clouds, looking at the repaired rainbow. The gentle evening breeze blew, and they slowly fell asleep, In their dreams, Aria and the night butterfly danced together, bringing more colors and joy to the world. The children also fell asleep sweetly, their dreams filled with rainbows and beautiful colors. Good night, little friends. Shh! Little whale is already dreaming. Now, let go of the day, close your eyes, and drift off to dreamland.